Hey guys, in this video, I'll be showing you how you can use the Canva AI image generator. Alright, so let's begin. Being able to generate images with AI is super useful. Let me show you how. So first of all, open your web browser and go to the official website of Canva. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Now, select any design where you want to generate image. Once you are on your Canvas editor, come over to the left and you need to go and click on Apps in the bottom left. It will be on Template, but select Apps. Then click on Search Canva Apps and you type in Magic Media. And then you want to go and get this app here, and then what we need to do is go and describe what you want to create. Of course, if you want to do image, select image. You then need to describe what you like to create, which I've now done. And you can go and choose the style you want it in. In this case, I want it to be in a photo and I want it to be square. And then what I'll do is I'll go and click on Generate Image, and it's now going to go and start generating them. It's now finished. And here are some images that is going to generate it. If you aren't happy with them, you can click on it, generate again. But if you are satisfied, you can click on it and then be added to your project and you can go and use it. So that's basically how you can use the Canva AI image generator. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.